Hey y'all, Porcha here, and today we are going to be sublimating on a unique substrate. Now, I call it unique because one, I never really thought about sublimating on it, and number two, it's not our usual suspect. It's not drinkware or apparel. It is a pickleball paddle, y'all, and this game is super fun. So this paddle was sent to me by PYD Life, and I really like their substrates because they absorb sublimation ink really well. Now, here is the plan for today. We're going to go ahead and go through the sublimation process on the paddle itself. I'll give you guys all the notes, and then from there, because I'm extra, we're going to add a little bling to it, y'all, to make it super unique and very much so our own creation. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Starting off, want to make sure that the substrate is free and clear of any debris. So we're all good there. Now there are two sides. This particular set of paddles, one side is sublimatable while the other side is not. So just make sure you are mindful of that. Also, the paddle handle here does not take heat. It is not sublimatable, so be sure to keep that free and clear of the heat press. So here is the image that I have printed out, and this one is 7.7 by 10 inches. So just make sure whatever space that you use to design your image in, that it is going to actually fit your paddle. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get this taped down. All done with the tape down. Now I definitely wanted to make sure that there was no air in here, so we're really tight at the top, tight at the sides, and then I am just pressing down a little bit around our edges here just to ensure that our paper is on the substrate really well and the whole area is covered. Let's go ahead and move on to the press. Alrighty guys, we are going in at 355 degrees, 120 seconds, and this is about moderate pressure. And we are going to place, hopefully you guys can see this, we're going to place the paddle, of course, with the handle side hanging off because we don't want to introduce the heat to the handle. And I did go ahead and put like more tape than needed in that actual area. I'm going to put down some parchment paper to ensure we don't transfer any of the ink to the pad here. Then I'm also going to place some on top. And we are going to let it go. All done, and we will unwrap together at the work table. All right, so I love a good reveal, so we are going to pick this off from the back. All righty. All right, check her out. I love how vibrant the color is, and our transfer went really well. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step. So we are going to get this blinged out just a little bit, guys. Let's get this out the way. Now, what I am going to use is these rhinestone ribbon in the color of AB, and we are going to use this to highlight the perimeter of our paddle. I really love using the rhinestone stickers because they help us add a little bit of bling without having to pull out the E6000. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is just literally take my time, press it down, try to keep it straight. Now this ribbon came pre-cut. It was like in a pack of 8. I will link it in the description. But it fit the edge here like perfectly. I thought I was gonna have to like cut some of the rows off or whatnot, but I didn't. Pressing that down really well. Guys, you cannot tell me, I mean, come on. You cannot tell me that this is not good. So it's still fully functional. All we did was add a little bit of accent here to kind of take it to the next level. And the AB really plays well off of the color palette that I selected for this particular design. But guys, this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you all how to sublimate a pickleball paddle, as well as add a little bit of bling bling to enhance the overall appearance. If you have any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found the video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a like? But guys, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.